Cranberry Almond Chicken Salad. Craving a chicken salad that's creamy, crunchy, and packed with bold flavors? This cranberry almond chicken salad is the perfect blend of savory, sweet, and tangy, making it a must-try for lunch, meal prep, or even a light dinner. Whether piled onto a croissant, tucked into a lettuce wrap, or enjoyed straight from the bowl, this recipe is a guaranteed hit. What makes this version stand out? The juicy shredded chicken, tart cranberries, and toasted almonds create an irresistible mix of textures, while a creamy dressing ties everything together with just the right balance of flavors. The best part? It's ridiculously easy to make. Ingredients: serves 2 cups cooked chicken, shredded or diced. Half cup dried cranberries. 1/3 cup sliced almonds, toasted. Half cup mayonnaise, or Greek yogurt for a lighter option. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon honey. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon garlic powder. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 1 celery stalk, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons red onion, finely diced. Simple steps to deliciousness. Prep your ingredients. If you haven't already, cook and shred your chicken. Toast the almonds lightly in a dry pan over medium heat until golden brown for extra crunch and depth of flavor. Make the dressing. In a large bowl, mix mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, honey, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Stir until smooth. Combine everything, add the chicken, cranberries, almonds, celery, and red onion to the dressing. Toss gently to coat all ingredients evenly. Chill and serve. Let it rest in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve on a sandwich, in a wrap, or over greens for a fresh salad option. Pro tips for the best chicken salad. Use rotisserie chicken. It's a game changer for saving time while keeping the salad juicy and flavorful. Try a mayo yogurt blend. A mix of mayonnaise and Greek yogurt adds creaminess without being too heavy. Customize it. Swap almonds for pecans or walnuts, add fresh grapes for an extra burst of sweetness, or sprinkle in some fresh herbs like parsley for a bright finish. This cranberry almond chicken salad is perfect for meal prep, potlucks, or quick weekday lunches. The combination of crunchy almonds, sweet cranberries, and creamy dressing will have you coming back for more. How would you enjoy this delicious chicken salad? Classic sandwich, lettuce wrap, or straight from the bowl? Share your favorite way in the comments.